Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're missing contacts on your Android phone, don't worry. Let's fix it step by step. First step is to sync Google account. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called accounts and backup. And here tap manage accounts. Here you just need to choose your Google account and tap sync account. And now make sure contacts is toggled on. Second step is to enable contact storage permission. For that, head back to settings and find this option called apps and tap on it. And use the search icon at the top right and search contacts. Now go to permissions and make sure contacts permission is enabled. And from the same app info page for contacts, scroll down and go to storage and tap clear cache and then clear data if needed. You can also try restoring from Google Contacts. For that, go to your browser, navigate to your search engine and visit contacts.google.com. Now sign in with your synced Google account. If contacts are visible there, they can be stored by syncing again. And that's it. Your contacts should now be back on your phone. If not, try restarting your device or restoring from a recent backup. If you found this video helpful, please like, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.